Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video marks the beginning of the week number 44 in this Road to 100k Realized Return Challenge. And the week started on a positive note. The European Commission President, Mrs. Ursula von der Leyen, agreed to have fast-track talks with US officials when it comes to trying to find the best terms possible to a deal to avoid the 50% tariffs that US President Donald Trump announced that he was thinking about doing it last week, and markets responded very positively to this development. And so markets, the S&P 500 is rising more than 1.5%. The Nasdaq is almost 2%. And as things stands at the moment, we are about 2 hours into the session. I'm recording this video a little bit earlier than usual, and I had to wait quite a lot of time until I was able to input to sell our calls for the day. And why is that? Because the stock started rising as soon as the trading day opened, and now apparently it is on a lateral range. Don't I probably could have waited a little bit more, but it felt that given the loss in volume that occurred, it seems to me that, and also because the index is already up 2% almost, the stock is already almost 2%. It seems unlikely that it's going to happen another upswing in addition to this one, given that the stock is already rising almost 2%. And of course, the volume has also been decreasing, which means that there is less buying pressure at this moment. And so I decided to go ahead and basically sell the calls at this moment, even if the upswing comes a bit later. The stock by then may have lost, should have lost already some time value, and so the rise in the call option price should not be that much significant. And also another issue for me trying to be very precise in selling the calls is because we sold 4 puts on Pfizer and with a strike price of 22.50, which will allow us to reduce our cost basis of these shares for quite a lot, at least to go into around 25 something dollars on average, the average price. And so because of that, I didn't notice, but I almost ran out of buying power. And so I'm really relying on not having to buy back these calls. We have a stop loss at 14 cents a stock, a share. So as long as we don't hit the 14 cents mark, we are good. Yeah, now we have to wait. Hopefully, either the stock recovers or we get more shares of Pfizer. But yeah, even if it doesn't happen, we will continue to sell more puts to get additional premium out of this. And so yeah, this is how the day is turning out to be. We'll have to wait and see what happens for the rest of the trading session. But for the time being, this is all. We'll continue to monitor this. In the meantime, feel free to leave your comments in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a DM on LinkedIn, and of course, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we'll reconvene at the end of the week to wrap up this week and see how the trades basically went. And yeah, I'll see you there.